gotta know if a cell is the same amount as one battery, right? Is a cell the same as one battery? How many volts is a cell?
1.5 is in a double A. 2.4 where you go down. You charge them up, it goes You're $15, $16. How many batteries does it take? Does it take 4?
This one takes 4, but the other one takes 8. So there was like a third.
That one's about the battery rate.
Yeah. I think they had chargeables for this and it's charging 40.
They do. They have this NICAD one. Yeah. It's like a double A.
I have been home and they were just fine.
They don't hold a charge very long.
Are you up in the air?
Yep.
No way.
Coming around.
They got those ones with a friggin' aqueduct, those planes now. I think nitro, like all over the place. Oh.
I don't know what's happening. Fucking my plane.
The wind.
I don't know. Where is it? Fucking.
It's going away.
No, it's
It's going
fuck.
way away. East.
I don't know. No, it's not the wind. It's
You're going away.
yeah.
You're going towards the freeway.
Right, now bring it back up.
Yeah.
Alright, now keep coming. Double it off, there you go. Bring it up, bring it up. Now keep coming this way.
It's coming back.
Keep coming, you got it.
It's coming back.
Keep coming. Dude,
Just
you're
steady it out.
almost into the freeway.
There you go. You're coming back.
Alright.
Just the trim on it, man.
I don't know what's
Go
happening.
easy on it. Don't hit the thing
What are you
so
going
much.
up and down for?
I don't know.
Bring it down,
Bring it
Shut
down.
off. That's a little hard.
Got it back.
Throttle back.
No, I don't know what's I don't know what's wrong. Fucking. Shit. Fucking.
It might be the wind.
No, I don't know what you see the.
Yeah, it's the wind. I'm telling you, it's picking up.
Fucking.
Got a lot. The wind.
Let me see what the fucking fuck over here. Oh no, it's not the wind.
Yeah.
It's not the wind.
No.
I have a problem in the control.
Oh, okay.
For sure. I don't know what's wrong. Oh man.
Just another cowling.
Yeah, this is not bad.
Oh, this.
Only the propeller. Stupid.
At least you got it back.
Huh? No, but
least you got it
I think yeah. This is the other day I have a little problem. Probably the receiver is not
Is your
good.
camera on?
Yeah. Yes.
Might want to turn that off.
Yeah.
I normally have to